Hey, so this is just a quick little video on how to get Twitch drops because I was trying to get a lot of Twitch drops for a while, but for some reason they weren't like I could never get any of the drops, and like I spent a while figuring out how to fix it, and I think I know how to get drops now because as you can see in my notifications, I first started with getting Valorant and then I played Tarkov, so I got some drops from Tarkov, and I just got the new hyperscape drop, so the reason why you may not be getting drops because first of all your Twitch might be offline. So that was the main reason I wasn't getting drops because my Twitch was offline, and for some reason it doesn't work when it's offline. It has to be online for you to get drops. And by the way, follow me on Twitch right there. And another reason is, for example, when I go on Myth stream right here, if it doesn't say drops
Oh,
enabled for
God, this
you,
just slammed into me.
hold on, let me just mute this really quick. If it doesn't say drops enabled for you right here, then there's gonna be a little link you can click on right here. It'll take you to a link, and then you have to link your account with the Twitch account. So for example, this is a Ubisoft game, so you would have to link your Ubisoft account with your Twitch account in order for the drops to go to your Ubisoft account. So if your Ubisoft account is not linked to the right Twitch account, then you should link it to your main Twitch account that you watch streamers on in order to get drops. And another reason you might not be getting drops is because you have multiple streams open. When you have more than one open, it doesn't get you the drops. And also, if this is muted right here, if you mute the stream right here, it doesn't give you drops. It actually lowers your chances by a lot. And I don't even think you get it. You can have it on like one volume if you want, but what I like to do is just put it on like it doesn't matter any volume, and I just mute the tab and keep it on the tab on the background while I do something else. So yeah, that's how you get Twitch drops if you didn't know already.